Welcome back to my studio where I teach you how to easily make textured art with some unconventional art business tips. Today we're getting crafty by making beautiful handmade thank you notes. I'll guide you through step-by-step tips to create these beautiful cards. The best part is that it's so simple, it doesn't require fancy supplies, even if you are new to crafting. First, I started by cutting my paper. I'm using A5 paper and cut it in half. You can use just scissors, but since I have the paper cutter, I used it to save time and get a clean cut. Then using a masking tape, whatever size you like, tape it on the paper to create clean lines. For the paint, I mixed bright pink with brown and white to get the pastel pink, and white with brown for the soft beige. I diluted the colors slightly with water, but not too much because the paper will absorb it and it will wrinkle. And then I colored the papers like this. Now to add a sparkle and a shiny touch, I used gold paint droplets. Trust me on this, grab a toothbrush that you don't need, dip it in a slightly diluted gold paint and flick it over the paper. This will add a beautiful effect, but it's not overpowering. You can use less or more paint as you like. For the second design, I mixed purple with grey and white to get a pastel tone and grey with white for a soft grey color. I colored the paper in the order that you see, and then I added this time silver droplets instead of gold. I tested a painting brush for splattering, but honestly, a toothbrush gave much better results, so stick with that. When everything dried up, I wrote the thank you notes on the front using a Sigma Micron pen size 0.8, leaving the back blank for a customized message. Nothing beats a thoughtful handmade touch for your customer or your loved ones. I hope you find this idea inspiring. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.